Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Payoneer as a payout method on the Airbnb app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and add Payoneer as a payout method on the Airbnb app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log into Airbnb. Next, click on Profile on the bottom right-hand corner, then scroll down and click on Account Settings. Next, click on Payments, then click out Payout Methods, then click on Set Up Payouts, and then scroll down and select Payoneer. Then click on Continue. Now, it's going to ask who owns this Payoneer account, so we're going to select who owns it. Then click on Continue to Payoneer, and then it's going to go ahead and ask you for some verification. But at this point, pretty much follow the on-screen prompts, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add Payoneer as a payout method on the Airbnb app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.